it's Gail from thehappystamper.com. Thanks so much for stopping by and visiting with me today. Hey, if you're new here, I am Gail and I am the Happy Stamper. And welcome. Welcome to my channel. I hope you find it engaging and it gives you some inspiration and some ideas. So yeah, today I have a Valentine's card for you. So I am going to get down to that. But listen, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon notification. That way you'll stay up to date on all my latest videos. So let's get started. I am using my Hearfelt stamp set again. You guys, I have used this non-stop. Oh my goodness, can you see that? Yeah, I am loving this bundle and the entire suite is amazing. In fact, I am completely out of the paper, so I'm going to be ordering that. All right, so I'm just going to show you the card right now if you're not interested in seeing how it is put together. That way you can just get the idea and go. Otherwise, stick around and I'll show you how to make this cute card. It's super easy. Okay, we're going to start with an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock, and this is simply cut at 5.5. So I'm just going to give you the measurements here like this. That way you can grab a pen and write them down. All right, so let's fold this in half. And I would also say on this card, you're going to want to put a piece of white, whisper white cardstock on the inside so you can write on it. I won't do that on this one today. All right, so let's set that aside. The piece that we're going to be stamping on today is 5.5 by 2.25. And this is what we're going to do some of our fun stamping on. I'm going to be using the heart stamp that has the cute little polka dots on it and our Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And I am just going to make some random hearts on this paper. And I'm going to start off and I am going to be on. I'm just going to make it super messy. I'm going to overlap. I'm just making this a really custom piece of cardstock, if you will. My very own. Let's make this one go that way. This stamp is so stinking cute. Super cute. Okay. I guess let's keep doing all our stamping here. While I have my black out, I am going to stamp on a 5.25 by 4-inch piece of whisper white cardstock. And to this one, I am going to take the arrow. I want mine pointing this way. You can have it pointing any way you would like. And I'm going to stamp this at the bottom of my whisper white, just down here like this. Now you could use our Misty. That would work too, if you feel like you need to redo it again. I'm also using this stamp that says roses are red, violets are blue. And I'm going to put that just to the right of that. And that's going to take care of our black stamping. So I'm going to set this aside. Then I'm going to come back in with our real red and the itty bitty tiny heart that is here. And I'm going to stamp a bunch of cute little hearts to go in the center of these black hearts. And again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to kind of stamp off, stamp on, make it super messy and super, what's the word? I don't know. Funky. Okay, let's set that aside. I am going to come in with a scrap piece of whisper white cardstock, and I'm using the solid stamp that says Happy Valentine's Day. And you might want to turn it over and stamp it because it's a big solid stamp. And just give it a minute to kind of transfer like so. And that is it for all of our stamping. I'm going to come back in with a scratch piece of black cardstock. And first, I'm going to punch out the Happy Valentine's Day heart. These punches are so super duper easy to use. And then with the scallop punch that comes in the bundle, I'm going to stamp or punch out a black one. And that's it for our punching. So I'm going to adhere the Happy Valentine's Day to my black heart, like so. And then I am going to bring in those pieces. Now, one last piece, I'm going to take this custom piece that I made and I'm going to mount it to a black piece of cardstock at 5.5 and 3 inches. So this piece is cut at 5.5 by 3 inches, and I'm going to adhere that. And I'm going to leave a little bit of a border on each side at the top and the bottom. It just frames it beautifully. Now we're going to take that piece and adhere it to the front of our white piece here. Oop, hang on. Hang on. I take that back. Hold off on this for a second. Adhere your white mat to your card base, the black card base. Now, because this is a little bit wider than the white piece by just a skosh. So adhere your white mat to your black, and then this is going to come over just a skosh because this is as wide as the card front. I've got a pair of scissors here. Our paper snips are wonderful, and I'm just going to trim just this little excess edge right off, like so. And you guys, we're almost done. I'm going to add some snail to our beautiful heart, and voila, that is it, you guys. So cute. I love this stamp set. Love it, love it. So there you have it, you guys. I hope that gives you another really cute Valentine's Day idea for making handmade cards. These are wonderful. Also, they're great for scrapbooking. I have done some adorable scrapbook pages. I will share those over on my blog so you can check those out. But yeah, it's just that quick and easy. So, as always, great big hugs from me to you. I adore you guys so much. Thank you again for subscribing to my channel. I'm thrilled to have you here. As always, there'll be links to my blog, to any pertinent information down below this video in the description box. Just click that. There'll be links for that. And yeah, you can pick up this darling bundle for yourself that features the Heartfelt stamp set over on my Stampin' Up website. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day and have a happy Friday tomorrow. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.